Hi everybody. This YouTube video is to show you how to add question banks from the end of quarter 1 final. The question banks and the quiz will come into your course, but they won't come over together. So it only takes about 2 minutes and it's pretty straightforward. So first thing you're going to want to do from your home page, click over here on quizzes after you've imported the final. Once you're in quizzes, go ahead and search. End of quarter 1 final, there it is. Now I've already done it, and so it probably won't look like this for you, but you'll want to go to edit and you're going to click on questions. Now you'll see a bunch of groups here. For you, at first it will be empty. So you'll want to go through and delete all these groups. Now I did import this from the online course into my regular course to make sure it worked when importing. I didn't have any question banks in my regular course, but they're still here. So once you've deleted all those, what you're going to want to do is click New Question Group and then Link to a Question Bank. If you scroll down to the possible options, you should see the week 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8 here. So click on that, select bank, and then I want them to have 4 questions for 1 point per question. And you'll create a group there. And then rinse and repeat for every week. 4 questions, 1 point per question. Then we're going to do week 4. And as you can see, this is really simple and really easy. One thing to note is that if you mess up, let's say do week 6, but then I forget to change this and I create group, the only way to redo that, it's pretty simple. You click on edit and then you go to 4. All right, and update group, and you'll be good to go. So just do that for each week. Then when you're done, click save, and your students will be ready to take the test. If you do 4 points per, or 4 questions per week for weeks 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8, should be 24 points total. I didn't go all the way through because I think you have the idea by now. Whole process takes less than 5 minutes. Feel free to email me if you have any questions.